Hey guys, it's Anna and today we're gonna talk about why use a VPN app in a present-day reality. As always, we take VPN Unlimited as an example. First things first, let's figure out what VPN is. This acronym stands for Virtual Private Network, and in a nutshell, this is a technology which is used to secure private network traffic over a public network such as the Internet. According to the VPN Unlimited team, using a VPN app allows you to stay secure on public Wi-Fi, protect your data from theft, access geo-blocked content, save with regional pricing, protect your privacy, and as a bonus, get 24/7 customer support. So why should you use a VPN? Firstly, to protect your private data. Every day we entrust the internet with our sensitive information. Most people never think twice logging on public hotspots and doing their usual internet routine. But whenever we do anything that involves sending our login credentials, account number, billing address, and other private data, we risk getting that information in the crosshairs of snoopers and identity thefts. VPN Unlimited, in turn, grants data protection by creating a secure tunnel between your connected device and one of its securest servers via AES 256 encryption. All your network traffic passes through this tunnel and is protected from anyone who tries to intercept it. To protect your data with a VPN Unlimited app, you should go to the Servers tab and connect to the optimal server that will give you the best performance. Wait a few seconds. One more important security feature is a list of extremely secure VPN protocols. To check out this list, go to Menu, Settings, and Protocols. Here you can see the full list of available protocols and read about their benefits. As you can see, IKEv2 provides a better security, accessibility, and connection stability compared to IKEv1. OpenVPN provides high performance and security through data encryption. KeepSolidWise allows you to smoothly bypass any web restrictions. And WireGuard Beta is a brand new VPN protocol that ensures the most rock-solid data protection and the most lightning-fast connection speed compared even to IKEv2. Also, you can enable the optimal protocol feature, and the app will use a protocol that best suits your current conditions. VPN Unlimited also provides you with an extremely secure DNS Firewall feature. You can find it in Settings. Here you can see the block list. For instance, we'd like to block social. Now we should wait for 1 minute. The work of DNS Firewall can be compared with a custom house. The customs officer is responsible for preventing the importation of illegal and dangerous goods into the country. And DNS Firewall is responsible for preventing the importation of malware to your device. So now let's check if Facebook works. fb.com, go, and Safari cannot open the page. The second reason to use VPN is to protect your online privacy. This is one of the main objectives of the VPN service, and this task is easily accomplished by hiding your actual IP address and location. To continue interacting with the cyberspace, a VPN provides you a virtual IP with the location of your choice. This makes it impossible for your ISP, government, or any other concerned party to track your online activities, which means that your online privacy remains intact. One of the main VPN Unlimited privacy features is Kill Switch. You can find it in Menu, Settings, Kill Switch. This is a feature that instantly turns off your internet connection if it detects any disruptions or failures of a VPN connection. This protects your real IP and location from accidental exposure in the result of dropped connection with a VPN server or other similar issues. Without kill switch enabled, you may not even notice that you are no longer under VPN protection and will continue browsing via simple ISP-provided connection. Note that disabling kill switch can put your privacy at risk. In case of sudden VPN connection drop, your internet traffic will be unprotected. The third reason to use a VPN is to avoid online censorship and restrictions. If you're in a country with a strict censorship and numerous internet restrictions like China or Iran, you can connect to a VPN service and unlock the doors to your favorite websites and online services. All you have to do is to select a server in a country where the content you want to access is not blocked. As a result, you will get the same privileges on the internet as the citizens of this country have. VPN Unlimited provides you with more than 400 servers in more than 80 locations so that you can access content from any needed location. To top it off, this helps you to save with regional pricing. Regional pricing is when companies offer different prices for their products in different countries, and it's pretty common with online shopping in general and especially with plane tickets and electronic software distribution. VPN Unlimited helps you to change your virtual location and buy clothes or airline tickets with the lowest price. For instance, the VPN Unlimited team got the first price tagged for the tickets with a British IP address. The second price tag was gotten with the US New York server. As you can see, the team could save for about $86. The fourth reason to use a VPN is to unblock the most popular video streaming sites. VPN Unlimited offers you a list of streaming services. For instance, you can't access BBC iPlayer outside the UK. If you try to do so, you'll see the following message. BBC iPlayer only works in the UK. Sorry, it's due to right issues. VPN Unlimited allows you to bypass BBC iPlayer geo-blocking. For this, go back to the app, go to the Servers tab, Streaming, and connect to the UK South Movies and TV server. Note: if you use VPN Unlimited on any other platform, you need to connect to the server named BBC iPlayer. Now go back to the BBC iPlayer website, refresh the page, and watch your favorite movies and TV shows. With VPN Unlimited, you can also unblock US Netflix, Hulu, HBO Now, Amazon Prime, Disney+, and many more popular streaming websites. Last, but certainly not least reason to use a VPN app is to download torrents. According to the statistics, more than 170 million people all over the world torrent, although in some countries this type of connection is being blocked. And if you are among the people who are restrained from torrenting, VPN Unlimited will help you. If you use the app on Android or Windows, you need to connect to a server with the marked torrents. If you use a macOS standalone version of the app, you need to connect to a server with the mark P2P. If you use the store version of the app on iOS or macOS device as I am, you need to connect to the US California one, to Romania, Canada, Ontario, Luxembourg, or France server, and that's it. For instance, I connect to the France server, I wait a few seconds, and now I'm ready to safely download torrents on my iPad. So that's it for today. I hope you liked my video about why use a VPN. If you have any questions on a VPN topic, you can ask them in the comments. I'll answer them in the next video. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time.